a lot of people have these things that are called Ring doorbells, which are doorbell cameras. Today we're checking out some crazy moments that are funny, wholesome, creepy, and some robbery ones at the end. So stay tuned and let's get into it. The first one we got is a funny clip. What the heck is... What is that? What? That's an alien. That is an alien. Crazy. Tell me that's not an alien. Oh. You see? It's caught on camera. You see? Yeah, we clipped it. I saw it right here. Oh, this is moving day. They're moving a toilet out of the house on the Ring doorbell camera. Well, there goes the toilet. Why were they moving the toilet anyways? This is the UPS driver on a slippery... Wow, is that what happens to driveways in the winter? Bro, that is crazy. Okay, I grew up in Miami, Florida. I've never seen this in my life. If I was him, I would just... What? That's taking your job seriously. Look at this guy. What? That's a thing? No, thank you. No, thank you. Is that a hose? Is that a fire? Wait, what? What? There's a fire outside his house and he saw it because of his Ring camera. What? How did a fire just randomly start on their... what? What? That's crazy. This poor guy. This poor guy. Dude, that is the worst. Imagine he was meeting his girlfriend's parents for the first time. Oh, they got drinks. They're drinking. Oh, is she gonna eat it? Oh no. She's got all the... Oh! No way! She had the glass bottles. Oh, Bed Bath & Beyond. Perfect. Perfect. After a long day of shopping. Oh, what? There's a seat right there. What the? Was that lightning? Oh my freaking gosh. Okay. All right. What? He's like, I think mom's in here. She talks to me sometimes through this thing. So maybe if I lick it. Now, what? He's like, why is there a light on?
Mom, are you in here?
Hey, I know you're in here. Say something. Talk to me. Oh! Wait, it's a ball. What's he doing? Oh, he's just. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He just made this into his bed. Oh no, is he gonna rip it? Is he gonna rip it? He is. Oh no. Oh, mom is not gonna be happy about this one. Oh no. Oh, that's bad. He's in trouble. Oh, and then they put it back, and now he's got the pillows. Oh, he's gonna be in trouble. He's gonna be. Oh, never mind. He was just lounging. Wait, what did she just run from? What the heck? Is that a moose? That's a freaking moose. This was caught on camera, and I don't even think she knew that the camera was even recording. The dog is killing her. The dog is taking her out. He's taking her out. He's choking her. Not really. He's just pulling on her hoodie, but it looks like he's choking her out. Take her out, pupper. Take her out. Get rid of the evidence. Man, you know what sucks? Is if that hoodie was expensive, you know she's gonna regret that if it breaks. All right, this is Christmas time. How long was he waiting there for? How long was he there for? He's in a whole suit. Bro, I would do this, to be honest. I would do this to Autumn, my girlfriend. Is this guy delivering pizza? What is this guy doing? What? Is he licking the camera? He's licking the camera. What? This? Ah! What just happened? What is he doing? What is this man doing? Nope. 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 All right, this guy shows up to someone's house. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is he licking? Hello? What kind of weirdos? This guy's just going in. This was on the news, by the way, looking for this guy. Now we got some robbers. Apparently a robbery happened in this one. This lady, she's stealing the grill? She's stealing the grill of their car. Why? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks like they're doing a delivery, like they got an app on their phone or something. They're knocking. Bro, aren't those bikes super nice? People use those a lot. Oh, they took out the screen. Oh, they got gloves and everything, bro. Look at this. They're breaking into the house. I don't even know. What are they doing? Bro, this whole time. And they're not wearing masks. Trying to be sneaky. They got no idea. What? Did they steal anything? Didn't even get in. That's it. They just opened the screen and then left. What the? Oh shoot, the cops came though.
Hi there. I'm in my office, but I'm able to talk you through the ring doorbell.
Oh, that's cool. Oh!
Oh my god, I love the ring doorbell. Yeah, I just got a call from the station. They asked me to come home. So
Oh!
it takes probably about 20 minutes. I'm at the airport.
They caught the kids!
Thanks.
Oh! Justice!